In the heart of Kenya lies a serene industrial town called Sagana in Kirinyaga County that was named after Kenya's longest river, Sagana River. But beneath its beauty lies a pressing issue, the devastating effects of climate change on this town that is a riparian flooding zone in Mount Kenya region. Rising temperatures and erratic weather patterns have intensified flooding, leaving homes destroyed and livelihoods shattered, as experienced during the El Nino in 1997 and 1998, and most recently in 2019, we got a chance to meet and interview the community which has been affected for years.
Roero nene muno.
Muno.
Eh. Rĩu ake ũyũ
warĩ mũnene.
Mũthenya warĩ mũnene mũno.
Mũno.
Kwarĩ ũtukũ kana mũthenya?
Kwarĩ mũthenya na ũtukũ.
I felt that it's only prayers which could save me from drowning, as I expected to lie in my house from the flood. Maina, the village whistleblower, alerted the neighborhood to call the rescue team from Jangwani Camp.
Anaitwa Susan Jerry Warui. Huyo mama alikuwa anaongea hapo, ni mama yangu. Chief akafikiria aite rescue kutoka kwa wale wako na boat. Ndio kuja alijitolea akakuja na diapers wao na hawakuturipisha kitu, walimbeba bure.
My name's Aisha Karanja. I'm the CEO and founder of a non-profit organization called Back to Basics that is effecting positive change through basics, empowering women, and working through an integrated approach to sustainable livelihoods, environmental stewardship, and economic empowerment. On matters climate change, we do integrated approaches that leads to climate action. One of the things that we do is using bamboo for environmental stewardship. Again, we still use this bamboo to plant for afforestation and reforestation. We have done this in various areas like water catchments. For example, in areas like Moranga, we have been using bamboo with the women and the community in general to plant along the riverines.
Kama kuna kitu inazuia hiyo mto isi flood hivyo, tukiletewa vitu hivyo tunaweza panda. Kama ni boat, kama wakati hiyo kuko na maji nyingi, tukipewa boat, kuna vijana wanaweza fundishwa, wao wanatupeleka kwa side hiyo nyingine.
That women are not affected more than men. They are never affected more than men, but they are affected differently. People who tell the stories in the communities are the women. So if the story is wrong, if it's misinformation, it's the woman who, more often than not, will take the misinformation to the community. So for me, the first thing is to get the woman to understand and to be the ones who are telling the story.